Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing a girly gift swap with my friend Angie Crystal. I'm gonna link her channel down below as well as the video showing everything that I got her. But if you aren't subscribed to her channel, she's a super girly beauty vlogger. I love watching her vlogs. They're so aesthetically pleasing. She wakes up in the morning and makes coffee and she has everything that's pink and crystals and diamonds and just everything about her I love. She's a super sweet person and you can tell she has a really good heart. She also has an adorable family, so I'm gonna link her channel down below. Definitely go over and subscribe to her. But we decided to do a girly gift swap because we're both very girly. So we set a budget of $100 and just sent each other random things. So it definitely feels like Christmas morning. I'm very excited. I used to do gift swaps all the time and every time I did them, it would just like make my entire day and like week. So I have her box right here. I picked this up yesterday and I can already tell from the size of the box and the little clip that I saw of hers on her vlog that she went overboard. So we're gonna have to see what's in here, but I'm really excited about it. So I have my scissors right here and we're gonna open this together. So like I said, we had a budget of $100 and originally it was like a quarantine gift swap because we've been stuck at home for so long, but slowly things are starting to open. So we just turned it into like a girly gift swap. Yep, she absolutely went overboard. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the box and then I'm also gonna take a thumbnail, but look at how cute. Everything is wrapped in tissue paper and then little pink wrapping paper. This is so cute. I'm already so excited and I'm already like, this is too much. Like I'll just take the card, that's enough. I don't really need all this stuff, but it's so cute. Okay, I think I got a thumbnail. All right, so I'm gonna open the card first. I literally only had thank you cards, so I sent her a thank you card. Okay, so she did the same thing that I did. We put like labels on each thing so we can read it. All right. Ooh, okay, so this first one is a little mini one. How cute is this wrapping? This one says, to wear for an Instagram picture perhaps. I like guessing my gifts. I know a lot of people hate when I guess gifts, but I feel like I have a pretty good idea. I'm gonna guess their earrings, but I have no idea. Ooh, yes, gold hoops. How did you know I needed a new pair of gold hoops? I love these. These are like the perfect size too. So this is what they look like. I'm obsessed. These are definitely my style. Thank you. I can't wait to wear them. I'm actually taking photos tomorrow, maybe like beach photos, so maybe I'll wear those. Okay, I don't think these, oh yeah, they are. So this one says, for your walks. For my walks. What could that be? I have no idea. So freaking cute. It's a little, what is this called? A fanny pack. So cute. I actually saw her talk about this in one of her vlogs. So it's a really pretty like pastel tie-dye fanny pack. This is so cute. Thank you. Ooh, I've never actually owned a fanny pack, but I am glad they're back in style because they're really cute. All right, next one. It's a hat. Thought this would look so cute on you. Shut the hell up. Ooh, I love this. You already went so overboard. This is a Calvin Klein baseball cap. I love this. Definitely not with my hair like this today, but I most likely on other days when I'm not dressed up, it's one or the other. I'm in like sweats or leggings and a sweatshirt and a baseball cap. So this is so cute. Thank you so much. I love this. I really love this. Oh my God. Teddy for when football starts. Oh my God, he's gonna freak out. He's coming, do you hear him? Teddy, look at this. Teddy, look. I want to show you guys, but also my dress is up my asshole, so hold on. Come over here. Come over here. Look, jump. Oh my goodness, it's a toy. Wait, let me take this off. It's for you from Angie. Do you love it? Oh my God, thank you so much. Do you love it, Ted? Uh-oh. Okay, well, maybe we can put that on pause. Do you love it. You weren't expecting that. Okay, he'll break the squeaker in like 2 minutes, so it's okay. It won't like distract you too much. I've done it now. All right, let me see what else I have in here, okay? All right, so hopefully that doesn't annoy you guys too much, but he's probably gonna squeak that until he breaks the squeaker. So this next one says, some of my faves, loved mine, hope these fit. Ooh, I'm gonna guess, okay? I'm gonna guess these are biker shorts. That's my guess, because she said they had the cutest biker shorts at Five Below. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Or I could be right. So cute. Oh my God, these are so soft. Ooh, these are literally like velvet. How cute are these? So we have a camo pair and we have the brightest pink. Thank you so much, I love them. They're wicked, wicked soft. Ooh, I cannot wait to wear these. Thank you. All right, so I'm just gonna pull, look at how many more gifts there are. All right, this says, ooh, for your YouTube video ideas. Seems like a journal of some sort. A notebook. Oh, so cute. Think it, want it, work for it. This is so cute. It's like a lavender and then it has gold detailing. Thank you so much. I actually needed like a plain notebook. Ooh, and it has like inspirational quotes on the inside. Thank you, love this. Okay, what's this? So now you can tell your subscribers they match. Ooh, that's dramatic. Socks, oh my God, yes, my socks never match. And these are so cute. It says yay for matching socks and it's a light pink pair of Adidas. Oh, many pairs. And then white with pink. I'm obsessed with these. Ooh, I wanna wear these today. Can I wear sneakers with a dress? Maybe. This is so cute. Thank you, I love these. I mean, the socks itself say they're $20, so listen. Ooh, how much did you spend? Okay, this one says, I have an obsession with these. You can start your own collection. I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness, the football. The football. You look so sporty. Yeah, so sporty. Ooh, so cute. So this is a soft case and it's like a cheetah print. This is so cute, thank you. Ooh, it's called by the brand Eris Moon. This is really pretty, thank you so much. I actually like never changed my phone case, but I probably should. That's really, really cute. Next one says, for your brilliant ideas, must be pens. Is it annoying that I'm guessing? I'll stop. Such cute pens. So these are lavender, they're teal, pink, all my favorite colors. Love these, love the packaging too. Thank you. All right. Okay, a his and hers. Shut up. This is so cute. A key-ring and pet tag for baby, for mama. I love I love this so much. That's so cute. Wow, that's the cutest. Thank you. Okay, this one says, for your Jeep, because I was obsessed with mine. This is what it looks like. So cute. Are we gonna continue to do that the whole time? What is this? Okay, stylish refit deco. What is this? Oh, shut up. This is the cutest thing for my Jeep. I love this. Wow, this is something that I would never like just go out and buy myself, but now that I have it, it's like a must, right? This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I can't wait to put this on my Jeep. Yes, thank you, I love that. Wow, you really thought of like such good ideas. Okay, the next one says, I like to match mine with my car and how you can match, and now you can match yours too. So extra. That's okay. I love being extra. Oh, so cute. So this is another case. This is so cute. So this is black and white, just like the Jeep. Thank you. You know what? I like that idea. Matching the Jeep. Love that. This one says, because you can never go wrong with this color. This might be another case. And it's pink. So cute. I love this. It's like a soft one. I love this color so much. Thank you. Wow, I am going to be decked out for my phone and my car. Moving on, I have to pull this out because I know it's a mug and I love mugs. This one says, a girl can never have too many. Too funny about what she said on this because if you go watch her video, very similar. So cute. I actually saw her mug in one of her vlogs and I was like, that's such a cute mug. How cute is this? And it has an initial for my name. I love this. And this is like a good size mug too because we got an espresso machine and I feel like it's like some of the cups I can't use anymore because they're too small. This is perfect. Thank you. I love this. I love mugs. I have such an obsession with mugs. This one says, a cute little reminder to keep you inspired and to keep you going with your channel. So cute. Oh my God, I love this. I saw she has one that's very similar to this, maybe the exact same thing except with her name. This is so cute. It's a Starbucks tumbler, but it says my channel name. And then it says my name on the back. This is the cutest thing ever. It's like a reusable one. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. Wow. Wow. Woohoo. Definitely need to wash this one out. I've got a problem with like not washing my tumblers and it's really bad and then I just throw them out, but I am 100% washing that one. Okay, so looks like 3 more. Okay, so this one says, because you said the blue one was kind of a fail, but I got you. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yes! So freaking cute! So this is a Victoria's Secret sweatshirt. Now, I have to be honest, I watched one of her vlogs the other day, and I didn't know it was the exact vlog that she was gonna show something that she got me. So I saw her show this, and I was like thinking to myself, oh, that's really cute. I need to go out and get that. And then literally right after she goes, this is for Sadie. And I'm like, I X'd out of a video. I've never X'd out of a video more fast in my entire life. Because I was like, oh no, I just ruined it. But I'm so excited. Oh, it's so soft too. Oh, you know I'm gonna live in this. You know I'm gonna live in this sweatshirt. I love it so much. Thank you. Shit. We're okay. Okay, I got 2 more. This one's for Teddy as well. So I'm gonna open it last just in case. Yeah, because there's a squeaker and that's been going on. So I'm gonna open this last. My goodness, you love that. You gotta say thank you to Angie, okay? All right. Okay, so this one says, because yours was ripping. No. No, you didn't. This is so cute. Literally, my backpack ripped. It's been ripping for a while, and I've been on the hunt for a new one, and this one is adorable. Oh my God, thank you. This is so sweet. It has like a woven kind of material pattern down here, and it's like a white cream. I love this. Wow, you did so good, and you definitely 100% went overboard, but I appreciate everything so much. This is like perfect. I'm gonna put everything in here after this video because this is like the perfect size, the perfect color. I'm obsessed with this. Thank you. Okay, and then this last one is for Teddy. Teddy, look at mommy. Teddy, look at mommy. Ted, this one's for you too. Okay, all right, wait right there so they can see you. Okay, so this one says, so Teddy can chew in style. 2 extra, question mark. Oh my God, this is so cute. He loves like mini toys like this too. This is a mini, it says Chewy Vuitton. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh, it's so cute. Teddy, this one's yours too. Okay, let me pull down my dress. We don't want to flash anyone. This one's yours too. Careful, sit down. There you go. Do you love it? Look at that little tail wag. 2 toys in a day? That's a spoiled puppy. That's so spoiled. Okay, so that was everything. Thank you so much, Angie. This was so fun, and I'm so grateful for... Oh, yes. All right, you tell her. You tell her. I'm so grateful for everything that you got for me. It was so sweet, so generous, and I appreciate it so much. So I'm gonna link Angie's video down below. I did not go as overboard as she did, but I hope she still likes all of her gifts. And yeah, this was so much fun to do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.